matapos natin mga ma'am sir. Pa-comment po, 8 pa lang po ang viewers natin. But anyways, mga ma'am sir, but anyways, mag-start na tayo agad-agad para matapos natin ang 50 questions for tonight. Ayan, sige. Without further ado, dito na tayo sa unang question natin kasi natapos tayo dito last time, di ba? Ayan, ito yung ano natin last time. So dito tayo sa question na to, A plus B. So unang tanong kaagad tayo mga ma'am sir, and then I'll be going to read the question twice and then rationalize na agad tayo, okay? Ayan, A plus B plus C plus D is equal to, divided by 4 is equal to 12. If the average of A, B, C, D, and E is 14, what is the value of E? Ayan, yes po. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Ayan. Ayan. Sige, sige. Thank you so much. Thank you so much sa mga nag-comment ng up, 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 up. Ayan po, para maano natin yung ibang kasama natin dito sa group. Ayan. Nasa ano na tayo? So, magpa-500 na tayo dito. Ayan. Kaya laban po tayo mga ma'am sir. Okay, so ang sagot natin dito mga ma'am sir, of course, pag ganito mga ma'am sir, ay wait lang, i-change ko pala hala, sorry. Change ko lang yung ano ko. Ayun. Okay. Pag ganito mga ma'am sir, kunin natin yung sum neto. How much po ba yan? Cross multiply lang natin yan mga ma'am sir. Oh, ayan, multiply natin yan. So that is A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 48 po yan mga ma'am sir. Ngayon, sabi dyan, ang average naman ng A, B, C, D, E is 14. So, eto siya mga ma'am sir. Ilang ano po ba yan? Kasi average is 14, di ba? Ilang ano sila mga ma'am sir? Average ha? Ilan po ba sila? Di ba? 5? So, times 5 tayo dyan. That is 70. Oh, 70. O magkano po yung ano natin dyan? That is 70 minus 48, that is equal to 22 po. Nakuha nyo? Nakuha, ayan. Pa-screenshot po dito. Kunin muna natin yung sum ng apat. Ito po yun, di ba? 4 times 12. Okay, so that is 48. Ngayon, ang ano natin, yung average naman ng 5 is 14. So multiply natin yan. 14 times 5 or 5 times 14, that is 70. Minus po natin yan mga ma'am sir. Yan yung value ng E. Nakuha nyo? Kasi nakuha na natin yung sum ng A, B, C, D, which is 48, di ba? Ilan ang E? Ano lang natin, multiply yung 14 times 5. Kasi 5 sila, di ba? 70 yun. O, A, B, C, D, minus natin yung A, B, C, D, which is 48. That means 22 po ang E. Nakuha nyo? Okay. Pa-screenshot, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next, 53 tayo. An orchid attached to a coconut tree is an example of, ayan, competition, parasitism, commensalism, predation. Again, an orchid attached to a coconut tree is an example of competition, parasitism, commensalism, or predation. Ano ang sagot natin dito for question? Second question natin, or question number 53. Ano ang sagot natin? That is, of course, commensalism. Ayan, yung host, hindi po unharmed yung host, di ba? Unharmed po yan sa ano natin, unharmed. Of course, yung isa naman is benefiting. Okay, yung isa. Ayan, pero yung inaano ng orchid, eto, benefiting from the tree, but the tree is not benefiting from the orchid. That is commensalism. Parasitism, the host is being harmed. Okay, ayan. Here, the host is being harmed by, ayan, parasite po. Okay? Ayan, parasite naman ang tawag natin doon sa, ayan, nag-harm sa host. Okay? Ayan, competition of course, like 2 or 3 or more organisms living together in a certain area. Okay? Ayan, predation, of course, meron tayo dyang prey at saka predator. Okay? Ayan. Sige, ito na po ang kumakain sa prey. Okay, pa-screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po, the bang of the door drowned the tick-tock of the clock. The words in quotation marks are examples of, ayan, simile, onomatopoeia, metaphor, apostrophe. Again, the bang of the door drowned the tick-tock of the clock. The words in quotation marks are examples of simile, onomatopoeia, metaphor, or apostrophe. Ayan. Okay, that is onomatopoeia. Sound words. Onomatopoeia, sound words po yan siya mga ma'am sir ha. Ayan. Ito naman, using like or as. Comparing two things using like as. Okay? Ito naman, comparing, ano lang sila ni simile, pero it's not using the like and as. Okay? Ayan. Sige pa, pa-screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Ganito lang po yung ano natin mga ma'am sir ha, para makarami tayo ng questions kasi kung i-explain ko pa yan one by one tapos deeper discussion and stuff, wala na po tayong oras kasi we only have how many days more? Oh, less than 60 days na lang. Less than 60, I think 59 days or 58. Ayan, so ganun na lang po days mga ma'am sir. So kailangan natin makarami ng questions. Ayan. Okay, ayan. Gusto niyo po ba mag-ano ng ano sa morning and afternoon? I'll be giving you videos, free videos. Gusto niyo? Gusto niyo? I'll be posting the group kung saan ko i-upload lahat ng videos tapos sali kayo doon para mapanood niyo po yung mga videos na kailangan niyo pang mag-go-over, okay? Na hindi na namin kayang i-discuss pa dito. Gusto niyo ba 'yon? Gusto niyo ba 'yon? Sige nga pa-comment nga mga ma'am sir, pa-comment po, pa-comment po. Kailangan gusto ko ng ano, gusto ko ng confirmation sa part ninyo. Mag-a-upload ako ng mga videos, yung mga previous videos nung last season. Ayan, last season. Tapos i-upload ko sa isang private group din. Exclusive lang po 'yan sa inyo kung gusto niyo. Ayan. O, gusto niyo ba? Sige, pa-comment lang dyan. Okay, so simplify 2x minus 3y plus y minus 4z minus z minus 3x. Ayan, sige. I'll be going to upload the videos, ha? Doon sa private group. Tapos, pag ready na, siguro just give me 2 days kasi ang daming videos po mga ma'am sir, ang daming videos. Just give me 2 days and then i-upload ko po lahat and then I'll be posting the link here. Okay? Ayan, sige. Ganun lang po. And then if I'm gonna post the, no, if I'm gonna post the link, wala pong mag-share ng link kasi halimbawa, ganito 'yun exclusive lang po 'yan sa inyo. Now if ma-trace po namin na shinare ninyo, it's okay to share mga ma'am sir, it's okay. Pero kasi this is exclusive group. Nagbayad ang lahat, okay? So dapat respeto natin lahat ng members dito, lalo na din po yung mga coaches, okay? Ngayon, 'pag ano kasi 'yan, 'pag nag-invite kayo ng mga halimbawa, i-she-share niyo 'yun sa mga friends ninyo, ganito ganyan. Makikita po kasi namin 'yan, like for example, Teacher Seppi invited blah, 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 dun sa nag-request na mag-join sa group. 'Pag nakita namin 'yun mga ma'am sir, diretso po 'yun kick out natin ha. Ayan, oh, 'yun lang po ang rule ko. Now, if I'm going to share the link here, don't share the link, okay? Kayo lang po ang puwedeng sumali and if makikita kasi 'yan sa request, join request dun sa group, makikita kung sino ang nag-invite. Ayan. O pag i-post ko yung link, that means everybody, I mean, yung Facebook would tell me na, shall we say, Teacher Mary Rose was invited by Teacher Seppi, was invited by Teacher Seppi. Lahat po yan, mga ma'am sir, by Teacher Seppi. Pag nag-invite kayo or nag-share kayo ng link na yon sa iba, tapos may nag-join, lalabas din po yan. Halimbawa, invited by Teacher Bebe Mart. Ayan, ganun. Lalabas po yan doon. Now, pag nakita ng staff namin yon, diretso po yan kick out ha, no refund po tayo. Yun po yung patakaran ko sa videos na yun kasi exclusive lang po yun sa mga nagbayad kasi hindi po lahat afford na magbayad dito mga ma'am sir. Yung iba pinangutang, yung iba pinag-ipunan ng ilang weeks, ilang months para makabayad at maka-join sa review, okay? Ayan, yun lang po ang rule ni Teacher Seppi. Ayan. It's okay naman na mag-share kaso lang dapat may boundaries, okay? Ayan, sige. Yun ang limitations natin, okay? Ayan, sige po. I'll be going to post the link here ng group once natapos ko na upload yung mga videos. Okay? Ayan, sige. Actually, nag-start na ako kanina mag-upload. Kahapon, mag-upload ng videos. Ayan, sa sobrang dami, hindi ko talaga kayanin. Just give me two days. Okay? Ayan, sige. Dito tayo. Simplify 2x. Eto mga ma'am, sir, ano lang natin. Okay, kopya lang natin yan. 2x minus 3y plus y minus 4z. Okay? Remember, etong negative mga ma'am sir, multiply natin yan sa loob. Ilagay natin yan dito ha. Dito ko na lang ilagay. Multiply natin yan sa loob. Magiging minus z na yan, tapos plus 3x. Okay? Ayan, so ganun po yan. So combine natin mga parehong terms. 2x plus 3x, we have 5x po, di ba? Ayan. Tapos, ang ano natin dyan, tawag nito 5x. Tapos, ang kasunod niyan, etong negative 3y plus y, that gives us negative 2y. Okay? Ito naman, understood my one dyan. Pareho ang sign, so add lang natin, that is minus 5z. Okay? And that is letter D. Okay? Ayan, letter D po. Letter D, letter D. Okay, ayan. Screenshot tayo. Screenshot dito. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa lahat and we're on the same page. Yes po. Ayan, respeto lang po sa nag-ano. I also give naman those who cannot afford, lalo na po yung nanghihingi doon sa page ko. Nagbibigay naman po ako mga ma'am sir. Of course, pero may limitations yun. Kasi nga, mayroon pong nag-avail ng exclusive review natin. Kaya, ayun. Okay? Okay, sige, next tayo. Number 56, carbohydrate, a polysaccharide that makes the plant cells and tissues structurally rigid is what? Sucrose, glycogen, starch, or cellulose. Again, a carbohydrate or a polysaccharide that makes plant cells and tissues structurally rigid is sucrose, glycogen, starch, or cellulose. Anong sagot natin dyan? The answer is cellulose, mga ma'am sir. Ito yung prime, ito ha, makes plant cells tissues structurally rigid cellulose. Ito ang primary component po yan siya ni primary component ng cell wall. Okay? Tandaan po natin yan. Kaya lahat ng plant cells, mga ma'am cell, are rigid. It's because of the presence of the cellulose that makes up the cell wall. Okay? Etong starch naman, stored sugar ng plants. Okay? Ayan. Sige. Ito naman, stored sugar sa animals. Okay? Ayan. Stored sugar. Ay, bakit stored lang yan? Ayan. Sa kamadali ko. Stored sugar sa plants. Ito naman, animals. Tandaan nyo yan, ha? Ayan. Tapos ito naman, sucrose is, ayan, this is disaccharide. Disaccharide po yan. Okay? Ayan. Sige po. Ayan. This is glucose plus fructose. Okay. Ayan. Sige. Pa-screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. What demonstrates the feeding connections among all life forms? Feeding connections. Ito yung ano natin. Ayan. Feeding connections. Biochemical pathway, nutrition cycle, food web, fossil cycle. Ayan. Again, what demonstrates the feeding connections among all life forms? Biochemical pathway, nutrition cycle, food web, or fossil cycle. Tamang sagot? Letter C po, food web. Tandaan, feeding connections, food web. Food web. Feeding connections, food web. Okay? Ayan, screenshot tayo. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. Vicky poured 50 over 100 liter of water into a bowl. Susan poured 3 over 10 liter of water into the same bowl. Ayan. So, what was the total amount of water the girls poured into the bowl? Ayan. Anong tamang sagot di dyan? Pag math, diretso na tayo sagot mga ma'am sir ha. Ayan, 4/5 liter po. Kasi ganito yon mga ma'am sir. Yung 50 over 100 plus 3 over 10. Ngayon, magkaiba ang denominator. Si 10 factor ng 100, pero we can still cancel 1 0 and 1 0 here sa 50 at saka 100, di ba? So, this results to 5 over 10 plus 3 over 10. O, pareho na ang denominator. Copy dyan. 10, and this is, how much? 5 plus 3, we have 8. Cancel by 2, divide natin ng 2, that is 4. Divide din natin ng 2 sa baba, okay? Pareho lang po yan. Ayan, so that is 5. That's why, ang sagot natin is letter A, 5, 4, 5. Nakuha? Nakuha po? Ayan. Sige po, pa-screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. The growth of roots towards soil. Again, growth of roots, growth towards soil. Anong ano natin dyan? Soil, soil, soil. Chemotropism, geotropism, hydrotropism, phototropism. Ano ang sagot natin dyan? Again, the growth of roots towards soil is an example of chemotropism, geotropism, hydrotropism, or phototropism. Sagot, geotropism. Soil, geo. Okay? Ayan. Chemical naman, this is chemical pag chemo. Okay? Ayan, chemical po yan. Hydro is water. Ayan. O, tapos, itong photo naman, light. Okay? Ayan. Sige po, pa-screenshot tayo. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. Ayan. A macromolecule is composed of smaller units called polymers, cells, isomers, or monomers. Again, macromolecule is composed of smaller units called polymers, cells, isomers, or monomers. Anong sagot natin dyan, mga ma'am sir? Ano ang sagot natin dyan? Ano ang sagot natin? Yes po, soil, geo. Okay, that is monomer. Smaller units, ayan, macromolecules, smaller units are called monomers. Mono, one, single unit. Okay, ayan, this is single. Okay, ayan, pa-screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, next tayo. What measure of central tendency can best describe the size of t-shirts commonly used by grade 7 students? Mean, median, mode, both A and C. Again, what measure of central tendency can best describe the size of t-shirts commonly used by grade 7 students? Mean, median, mode, or both A and C? Tamang sagot natin for 61. Ayan, tamang sagot natin for 61 is, of course, mode. Okay? Ayan, mode po yan. Mode po yan, mga ma'am sir. Ayan, sige. Bakit mode, teacher? Halimbawa kasi mga ma'am sir, we have, tatlo lang ha, tatlo lang, para, tatlo or apat or lima, ganun. Small, small, tapos medium, tapos large. Kaya ba natin makompute ang mean dyan? We have small plus medium plus large divided by 4? Hindi, di ba? So hindi siya viable. Sizes kasi ng t-shirts, sabi dyan, okay? Tapos, media naman, pwede ba natin, apat yan ha, dalawa ang nasa middle term, S at saka M. Pwede ba natin i-add si S plus M divided by 2? Hindi. Not all the time. Where sometimes like S, S, L. Pwedeng ganito. Kasi yung media natin, dalawa lang mga ma'am sir, S. Pwedeng ang S natin, S plus S is 2S divided by 2 is S. Okay, pwede yan siya. Pero, pag yung middlemost magkaiba, ayan, pag middlemost magkaiba, hindi natin pwede. So, hindi lahat ng oras applicable. Sometimes lang applicable si median. Si mode naman mga ma'am sir, halimbawa dito, ang pinakamarami diyan, mode S, 'di ba? Same here, mode pa rin ang S, 'di ba? Ayan, in this case po, ayan. 'Di ba? Sige. So, mode ang sagot natin diyan. Next tayo, screenshot pala, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Frequency, yes po, the most common. Okay? I enjoyed most of the film, but I didn't like the ending. No error. Enjoyed most of the film, didn't like, or no error. Again, I enjoyed most of the film, but I didn't like the ending. No error. Anong sagot natin dito mga ma'am sir? Ayan, anong sagot? Anong sagot? That is, of course, didn't like. Pag do, did, and does. Ayan, plus verb-based tayo. Plus verb-based tayo dyan ha. Ayan, sige, pa-screenshot tayo dito mga ma'am sir. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Wait lang po. Okay, next tayo. Ayan, sorry. Next tayo mga ma'am sir. Dito tayo. Which of the following is not a monosaccharide? Glucose, fructose, ribose, or starch? Again, which of the following is not a monosaccharide? Is it glucose, fructose, ribose, or starch? Ano ang sagot natin dyan mga ma'am sir? Ano ang sagot? Sige nga, pa-comment po. Pa-comment po ng mga sagot natin dyan mga ma'am sir. Pa-comment sa chat box. Ayan. Pa-comment po dyan sa chat box mga ma'am sir, yung mga sagot natin. Ayan, wait lang po in a bit. Sorry po, sorry. Ayan, pa-comment po dyan sa chat box mga ma'am sir, yung mga sagot natin. Okay, ayan. So ang tamang sagot natin dyan of course is starch mga ma'am sir. Kasi etong ribose, that is monosaccharide din yan ha. Monosaccharide din ang ribose. Fructose, glucose, galactose, ayan, mga monosaccharide yan sila. Starch naman, this is polysaccharide po yan. Okay? Starch is a polysaccharide. This is a stored sugar sa plants. Okay? Ayan. Sige po, pa-screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Monosaccharide po ito lahat. Ayan. Monosaccharide yung tatlo, except letter D. Screenshot, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. The two consecutive even integers, the sum of which is 34, are 17, 19, 20, 21, 16, 18, or 20, 22. Ayan. Ito siya mga ma'am sir. Looks complicated, pero actually hindi. Konting analysis lang. Ayan. O, ang sinabi lang yan, two consecutive even integers, the sum of which is 34 or, asan dyan ang consecutive even? Two consecutive even. Even ang sinabi dyan ha, even. Eto, hindi na even, right? Ayan, hindi na sila even. Eto, even but not, this is odd. Even ito, even ito. Eto, even, even. Pero ang sum nila, wala na tong letters A, B, di ba? Ang sum nila is 34. Ito naman is 42, okay? So that means letter C tayo. Nakuha? Okay, screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. All of the following contribute to environmental conservation except, ayan, carburetor exhaust, waste segregation, energy conservation, or reforestation. Ayan, anong sagot natin? Number 65, mga ma'am sir. Sige po, pwede po kayong magsagot dyan, mga ma'am sir, or pwede po tayong mag-ano ha, kung nakapag-print kayo nung ano natin, yung answer sheet natin na naka-upload din po dito sa group, pwede din po ninyong, pwede kayo mag-practice mag-shading. Okay? Ayan. O anong sagot natin dito? Anong sagot? That is letter A po. Ayan. Except dyan ha. Ito sobrang dami to sa let ha. Ang dami yung mga ganyan. Negative factual question. Yung akala mo yun ang mali pero yun ang yun ang sagot. Except, ayan. Lagi niyong tandaan yan ha si except. Ayan, lagi po yung dumadalaw pag let, pati si Rizal. Kasama yan ni Rizal lagi. Okay, screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. A group of 5 campers use a total of 12 gallons of water on a camping trip. Each camper used the same amount of water. How many gallons of water did each camper use? Ayan, anong natin dyan? 12 gallons na yung ginamit nila. 5 camper sila. Tapos, same daw ng amount ng water ang ginamit nila. So, how much ng water ang nagamit bawat isa? Yan yung tanong dyan. Okay? Ayan. So, that is letter C tayo, mga ma'am sir. Kasi nga, 12 gallons ang nagamit. 5 lang sila. I-divide lang natin, di ba? Ayan. So, ganyan lang. There's no need for us to solve like 12 divided by 5. That is 2.4. No, there's no need. Kasi nga, ang questions nasa lang, nasa fraction form. Okay? Ayan. Pa-screenshot po. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. Eto lumabas 'to nung September nung March, September? Ah, wait, March 2024? No, 2025, ayan, March 2025 lumabas 'to. May isa pang question na tulad din nito, eh. Ayan, primates naman ang sagot do'n. Eto, zebra, horse, and donkey. Ayan. Have similar characteristics because they belong to the same taxonomy, species, rank, or genus. Anong sagot natin dito? Number 67. Anong sagot? That is genus, mga ma'am sir. Okay? Anong genus yun, mga ma'am sir? That is Ecos. Okay? Ayan, yan yung genus name ng zebra, donkey, at saka horse. Okay? Eto, pabalik-balik to, mga ma'am sir. May isa pa, yung monkey, ape, blah, blah, blah. Ang sagot naman doon is primate. Okay? Ayan. Pareho silang genus, mga ma'am sir. Hindi sila pwede maging same species kasi nga zebra is different from the horse. That is species na sila. Okay? Ayan. At donkey is also a species. Same genus sila, mga ma'am sir, pero iba yung ah, species name nila. Okay? Ayan. Sige po. Pa-screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Hindi po sila same species ha kasi yung species yung pinakababa na yun. Okay? Ayan. Sige. Like, Homo erectus, Homo sapiens, Homo habilis, di ba? Pareho yung genus nila Homo, pero yung species name nila Erectus, habilis, sapiens, magkaiba, di ba? Pero pareho silang genus, which is Homo. Homo habilis, Homo erectus, Homo ito naman, Ecos, I'm not with the zebra ha, so scientific name ng zebra, pero yung genus nila is Ecos. Okay? Ayan. Sige pa, pa-screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. A or an, blank is a basic unit of carbohydrate. Monosaccharide, starch, amino acids, glycerol. Ayan. O, anong sagot natin dyan, mga ma'am sir? Basic unit daw ng carbohydrate. Ayan, na-discuss na to kanina. Meron to kanina. Basic. Pag basic unit or building block ng carbohydrate, that is monosaccharide. Okay? Ayan, building block ng carbohydrate yan. Starch naman, polysaccharide po yan ha. It can never be a building block of carbohydrates. Amino acids is building block ni BB yan ni protein. Building block, building block yan building block ni protein. Okay, ito naman sa lipids. Okay, ayan. Sige, sa fats, particularly sa fats. Okay. Pa-screenshot, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. How much was borrowed if the interest at 8% after 3 months is 6,000? Oh, magkano daw yung na hiniram kung ang interest after 3 months is 6,000 at 8% interest? Okay? Ayan. Sige, sige, sige. Ano ang ano natin dito? Ano ang sagot? Ano ang sagot? Ayan. How much daw mga ma'am sir? Ganito lang yun Interest na po ito mga ma'am sir. I is equal to PRT. Okay? Ayan. Yan yung ano natin. Ngayon, ang hinahanap dyan is the principal. Ang interest daw is 6,000. So lagay natin yan, 6,000 is equal to the principal. The rate natin is 8/100 yan mga ma'am sir. Para hindi tayo mahirapan, wag na mag-decimal Wag gumamit ng decimal kasi 8/100. Bakit? Kasi percent mga ma'am sir, 8% is equal to, percent means per 100. 8/100. 8%. Okay? And then the time is 3 months mga ma'am sir, that is not equal to 3 years Kasi pag ganito, this is simple interest, 3 months over 12 po yan, 12 months. Okay? Kasi ang simple interest usually per year po yan, per annum. Okay? Ayan. Or divide natin by 3, this is 1, divide by 3, this is 4. So that means our time is 1/4. 1/4 year. This is 1/4. Okay? Ayan. Ngayon mga ma'am sir, magiging 6,000 is equal to P, ayan, 8 times 1, that is 8, 8P tayo dyan, over 100 times 4 is 400. Okay? Ayan. Oh. Ngayon, understood my 1 yan mga ma'am sir. 8P times 1, that is 8P. Okay? 400 times 600, that is 400 times 6,000 pala. Okay? Ayan. Wag nyo na i-multiply yan mga ma'am sir Basta cancel na lang tayo. Divided by 8, divided by 8 because we're looking for P. P is equal to 400 divided by 8, that is 50, di ba? By 8. This is 1. By 8, this is 50. 50 times 6,000 mga ma'am sir. 50 times 6, that is 300. Tapos add lang natin yung 1,000 na yan. So that is 300,000. Letter B. Nakuha? Pwede nyo po balikan to mga ma'am sir. Pwede nyo balikan Pwede nyo balikan. Ayan. Pa-screenshot po. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, next tayo. Ang pinakamababang antas ng wika katulad ng syota, sikyo, jowa ay tinatawag na lalawiganin, balbal, paronggit, kolokyal. Ayan, sige nga. Ayan. Again, ang pinakamababang antas ng wika katulad ng syota, sikyo, jowa ay tinatawag na lalawiganin, balbal, paronggit, or kolokyal. Ayan, paronggit, wala po yan. Di po yan antas ng wika. Okay? Tamang sagot natin dyan is balbal mga ma'am sir. Balbal. Kung sa Bisaya pa, aswang. Balbal. Okay. Pag sinabi nating balbal, yun yung mga like for example, yung gay linggo, mga ganon. Okay? Yung mga ginagawa-gawa lang ng specific group of people at sila lang din nakakaintindi. Ngayon, ang lalawiganin, this is only true to every provinces. Okay? Ayan. Sige. O ano bang anong tawag nito? Yung mga words na specific lang sa province, okay? Or yung mga dialects lang doon sa province, okay? Yan yung lalawiganin. Whereas yung colloquial naman, pinahaba or pinaiksi, okay? Ayan, di ba? Pinahaba or pinaiksi naman ang colloquial. Okay, ayan. Sige, pa-screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next tayo. Which sector of the economy consumes the most energy? Ito, sobrang daming nawindang neto nung lumabas sa LET. Ayan. Sobrang daming nawindang kung sa bahay ba, transport ba, or electric utilities ba, or industry ba. Ayan. Oh. Anong tamang sagot natin dito? Tamang sagot natin? Tamang sagot natin dyan mga ma'am sir is industry. Bakit? Ayan. Dito po kasi na yung mining. Ayan. Andyan yung mining. Isa sa pinakamalaking industry. Ano pa ba? Manufacturing. Okay? Manufacturing. Andyan din. Okay? Kaya mas gumagamit. Ito kasi mga industries na to mga ma'am sir, gumagamit sila ng mga malalaking machines. Kaya mas gumagamit sila nagko-consume sila ng sobrang energy, lalo na po yung mga fossils, okay? Ayan. Ang pangalawa, ang second po sa buong buong mundo to we're talking about the buong mundo. Ito po ang second, yung natin, yung transportation. Second po ang transportation. imagine, mining, manufacturing, ano pa ba? Lahat ng industries sa buong mundo, kasama na yung mga malalaking economies like China, India, US, China, India, gano'n, okay, Japan. So, yun yung pinakamalaki talaga, yung industry ang may paano. Kasama dyan ang mining, manufacturing. Pangalawa, transportation. And pangatlo naman po mga ma'am sir is yung residential. This is the third po. Electric utilities, ito yung mga provided like dito sa sa Manila, panel ano ba sa Manila? Meralco. Ayan, oh. Yung mga electric companies, yun lang po yung mga sobrang na po yung gamit lang nila mga ma'am sir kasi nga office lang sila and then hindi naman sila gumagamit ng maraming so much energy para makaproduce ng energy kasi nga sila ang source ng energy, di ba? Sila yung provider, okay? Ayan. Sige pa screenshot. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Ayan. Sige, next tayo. What is the amount due on 10,000 pesos after adding the annual interest of 8% for 3 years? Ito, bumalik-balik to mga ma'am sir. 2022 October lumabas, tapos March 2024 lumabas ulit. Ayan. Malay mo, lalabas ulit ngayon after 2 years ulit. Itong question na to. What is the amount due on 10,000 pesos after adding the annual interest of 8% for 3 years? O, 3 years tayo dyan ha. Ganito lang yan mga ma'am sir. Kasi nga, kung i-multiply pa natin, 10,000 times 0.08 times 3, di ba? So, it will take time. Okay? It will take time. Ganito na lang gawin natin. 8% times 3, that is, ayan, times natin yan mga ma'am sir. Times natin, 24%. Okay? Tapos, sa 24% mga ma'am sir, this is 10% plus 10% plus 1%, 1%, ayan, 1%, 1%. Okay? Ngayon, mga ma'am sir, kunin lang natin ang 10% ng 10,000. Anong 10% ng 10,000? Cancel natin isang zero. Basta nag-end ng zero yung principal. Isang zero dyan, i-cancel it. That's the 10% na. Okay? So, 1,000 tayo dyan plus 1,000. Okay? Ngayon, another 1%. So, sa 10% na to, cancel ulit tayo ng sa 10% which is 1,000, cancel ulit tayo ng 0. So, ilang 1% yan? 4. So, that means 4 times 100. Okay? Ayan. So, that is 2,400 po ang interest. Yan po ang 2,400. Kaso lang, sabi dyan, amount due po. I-add natin to sa principal na 10K. So, that gives us 12,400 which is letter C. Nakuha? Yes. Ayan. Sige po. Ayan, pa-screenshot tayo mga ma'am sir. Pa-screenshot. Nakuha nyo? Chunking method yan ha. Minultiply natin yung percentage sa years or sa time. So that's 24%. 24% nag-chunking tayo ng 10%, 10%, saka 1%, 1%, 1%, 1%. Ngayon, tawag nito, yung pagkuha ng 10%, cancel natin isang zero. That's 10% na. Okay? So, dalawang 10% po yun, di ba? Dalawang 10%. Tapos, apat na 1% po yan. So, ang 1% natin ulit, cancel tayo ng zero. That's sa 10% ha, hindi doon sa principal. Sa 10%, cancel tayo isang zero. That is, ang 1% natin is 100, di ba? So, apat na 100 is 400, okay? 2,000, 1,000 plus 1,000 plus 400, that is 2,400 plus 10K is 12,400 po, okay? Ayan, amount due po ang tinatanong dyan, amount due, okay? Ayan, kasama ang principal at interest. Pa-screenshot, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. The peace forged in Bohol between Legazpi and Sikatuna was known as, ayan, ito, ilang beses, gasgas na rin tong question na to, pero pabalik-balik pa rin lumalabas sa let. Ayan, the peace forged in Bohol between Legazpi and Sikatuna was known as Blood Compact, Galleon Trade, Verdadero Decalogo, or Union Obrera Democratica. Sagot? That is Blood Compact. Okay? Ayan. Peace forged between Legazpi and Sikatuna in Bohol. Okay? That is Blood Compact. Blood Compact. Okay. Next, move on tayo. Screenshot pala. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. An atom of silicon has a mass of a number of 28 and an atomic number of 14. How many protons are in this atom? Ayan. Protons protons ang tinatanong. Number 73, sagot? Sagot 73. Ayan. Anong sagot? Ba't pareho? Ba't nag 73 pa rin? Okay, ayan. Dito, sagot. That is, letter D tayo mga ma'am sir. Kasi nga, ang mass number, okay, mass number po, ayan, mass number is equal to protons plus neutrons, okay, or the neutrally charged. Ngayon mga ma'am sir, kung 28 ang mass number, tapos ang ano natin, atomic number, proton is ay sorry pala, atomic number. Pwedeng atomic number yan dyan mga ma'am sir ha. Atomic number which is 14 plus ayan, neutrons. Okay? So ang neutrons natin dyan mga ma'am sir is equal to 14 din. Kasi nga dalawang 14 is 28, di ba? Ngayon, lagi nating tandaan, protons is equal to number of electrons is equal to the atomic number. Okay? Ayan. Tandaan nyo to ha. Atomic number po and protons and electrons are just the same. So that means, kung ang atomic number natin is 14, 14 din ang protons natin. Okay? Same with the electrons, 14 din. Okay? Ayan. Screenshot tayo. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Ang layo ng inabot ko. Doon lang pala. Magkapareho lang pala. Ayan. Anyways, I explained the whole concept na. Okay. Next tayo. Pythagorean theorem is Pythagoras. Rectangular coordinate system is by Alfred Nobel. That's Nobel. Ay, sorry. That's Isaac Newton, Tartaglia, or Rene Descartes. Ayan. Sagot natin dyan, mga ma'am sir. Ano po ang sagot natin dyan? Ano ang sagot natin? Ayan. Sagot po. Sagot. Ay, yung mga gusto palang sumali dito bukas ha. Bukas may coaching kami. Bukas may coaching kami ng 8 a.m. hanggang 5 p.m. Separate to sa isang sa online coaching namin. Bukas hanggang Sunday yan, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Prof. Ed and Gen Ed po with free mockboards po. Kaya message niyo po ako sa page ni Teacher Seppi. Message niyo po ako doon mga ma'am sir kung gusto niyo sumali bukas 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. po. At saka Sunday po 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Dalawang araw 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Practice na po yan kasi sa final coaching 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. po minsan or 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. po ang sessions. Okay? Kaya i-message niyo po ako sa mga gustong sumali ha. Ayan. Hindi po yan kasama sa mga nabayaran po natin dito sa group na to ha. Ayan, kaya message niyo po ako sa mga gustong sumali doon. Okay? Ayan. Sige. Oy, ayan. Next question tayo. Ayan, next question, tamang sagot. Rene Descartes. Rectangular coordinate system or the Cartesian plane, yung X and Y na yan, na hate mo pag nagpag-graphing na si teacher sa math. Ayan. Ayan. So this is the rectangular coordinate system or Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane. Okay? Ayan. Kay Tartaglia, this is cubic equation po yung sa kanya. Cubic equation po. Okay? Ayan. Cubic equation. Kay ano naman, of course, Isaac Newton, marami siya. At isa sa mga, like, the calculus is one of Isaac Newton's work. Ano pa ba? Exponents and ano pa ba? Three laws of motion. Active din si sa physics. Okay? Ayan. So, marami si Isaac Newton Ito naman, dynamite si Alfred Nobel po. Nobel yan ha. Tapos, siya po yung sa Nobel Peace Prize. Okay? Ayan. Sige. Pa-screenshot po tayo mga ma'am sir. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. May payment po ba? Yes po. Ay, tama. 100 po yung bukas ha. Bukas at saka sa Sunday po yun. 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. 100 pesos with free mockboards po yan. 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Gusto nyo bang Ayan, sige. 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. bukas at saka Sunday 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. din. Okay? Live po. Yes po. Live po. Teacher Riza Bandejas. Ayan. Hello po, teacher. Yes po, January 16 po ngayon, January 16. Teacher Riza Bandejas. Ayan, live na live po si Teacher Seppi. Yes po, Teacher Christopher. Mayroon po, 100 lang po siya, 100. Okay, next question tayo. My parents has been to the United States many times. No error. Anong sagot natin dito? Anong sagot? Ayan, message niyo po ako ng 100. Message niyo po ako ng 100. Ayan. Message nyo lang po ako ng 100 kung gusto nyo mag-avail bukas at saka sa Sunday. Bukas at Sunday po yun. 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay. Sa page ni Teacher Seppi. Okay. Sagot natin dyan, of course, a parent has or parents has because ang subject natin is plural subject pero dapat ito have been. Okay, plural dapat. Okay, pa-screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. How to join po? Message niyo po ako sa Teacher Sepi po, sa Teacher Sepi page po mismo. Okay? Ayan, doon sa Teacher Sepi, si Teacher Sepi, doon po nyo ako i-message. Okay? Ayan. Sige, sige. Next tayo. Number 76. To enter or leave a cell, substances must pass through, ano po? The cell wall, a ribosome, a nucleus, or plasma membrane. Anong sagot natin? Anong sagot natin dito? Anong sagot? Anong sagot? Yes po, 2 days na po. Ang 100 pesos, 2 days na po yan. 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. po. 2 days. Ayan. Ayaw nyo ba niyan? Okay, message nyo lang po ako mga ma'am sir. Message nyo lang po ako. Doon tayo magbardagulan din bukas hanggang Sunday. Ayan. Ano yan siya? Test yan siya kasi malapit ang final coaching. Magpa-final coaching na tayo. Message me with 100. Message me 100 ha kung sasali kayo ng ng bukas at saka Sunday. Okay. Yes po, sagot natin dyan mga ma'am sir. Plasma membrane. Ito yung guard ng cell. Okay, guard of the cell. Ayan, no ID, no entry po yan. Guard of the cell. Okay. Ayan, yan po yung ano natin. The cell wall naman po. Ito yung protects the cell. Ito yung rigid, di ba? Ayan, protects plant cell po yan. Okay, plant cells lang ha. Ayan, itong ribosomes naman. Site of protein synthesis po yan. Protein synthesis. Okay, ayan. Tapos ang nucleus, this is brain of the cell or control center of the cell. Okay? Ayan. Sige. Sige po, pa-screenshot tayo mga ma'am sir. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. The energy source which is not sustainable is water, sun, wind, or coal. Again, the energy source which is not sustainable is water, sun, wind, or coal. Tamang sagot? Of course, coal. Okay? Ayan, non-renewable source of energy. Wind, water, and sun are all renewable sources of energy. Okay? Ayan, screenshot tayo. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. 9 squared of x minus 7 squared of x minus 36 is equal to negative 16. X is equal to how much? Ayan. O, pag math mga ma'am sir, diretso tayo solve ha. That is 100. Ganito lang yan mga ma'am sir. Pareho sila ng radicand, square root of x, di ba? So that means i-minus lang natin to. 9 minus 7, we have 2 square root of x minus 36 is equal to negative 16. Di ba? Tapos, transpose natin to dito mga ma'am sir. Mag-change yung ano niya. 2 square root of x is equal to 16 plus, negative 16, I'm sorry, plus 36. 36 minus 16, that is 2 square root of x is equal to 20 na lang. Positive 20, di ba? Divide natin sa 2, divide natin sa 2. Ang sagot dyan, square root of x is equal to, square root of x na lang is equal to 10, di ba? Ayan, di ba? Tapos, square natin yan, both sides mga ma'am sir. Square natin yan para matanggal yung square root sign. So, we cancel natin yan. Magiging x is equal to 10 squared is 100, which is letter D. Okay? Ayan, pa-screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. Princess Diana's sudden unexpected death was like a candle in the wind. It is an example of simile, metaphor, hyperbole, or irony. Ayan, sige po. Paano po? Pasagot, sagot. Number 79, 79, 79. Yes po, that is simile. We have used here, ayan, like, ayan. Pa-screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po, number 80. All right angles are supplementary, congruent, parallel, oblique. Ayan. Anong sagot natin sa number 80 po? Number 80, number 80, number 80. Kailan po, ayan, 100 na lang po yan mga ma'am sir. Ayan. May pang ano lang tayo, maibigay na pangkape doon sa mga coaches. Ayan, 100 lang po yun. Ayan, kaya message me 100. 100 lang ha, ang i-message nyo sa akin, 100 kung gusto nyong sumali. Okay? Ayan, message me 100. Okay, bukas po yan hanggang Sunday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay? Ayan. Sige. Sagot natin dito. That is, ayan. Ay, bakit supplementary ang sinagot ko? This is wrong. Sorry. This is wrong. Ang tamang sagot dito is congruent. I'm sorry for that. Congruent po. Congruent. Ayan. Congruent yan ha. Congruent yan. Congruent ang tamang sagot. Congruent. Okay. Pag sinabi kasi natin mga ma'am sir na supplementary, Ang sabi diyan, all right angle. So lahat ba sila supplementary? Hindi. Kasi pag nakalagay diyan, naka-quantify na 2, pag two right angles are supplementary, true. Pero all right angles ang nakalagay, all right angles, okay? So, supplementary is not applicable. Ayan, congruent po, equal. Lahat po sila equal. Kasi nga, right angles, 90 degrees po. Wala pong right angle na 91 degrees or 89 degrees or 88 degrees or 92 degrees. Okay? Ayan, they are all 90 degrees. Kaya congruent sila. Hindi sila parallel, mga ma'am sir. Pag sinabi natin parallel, ganun. Okay? Two lines that are not intersecting. Kahit ano habang buhay mo yang i-extend, di talaga yan magmi-meet, mag-i-intersect. Parallel line po yan, okay? Oblique naman, ganito po 'yun mga ma'am sir. Parang obtuse triangle siya, ayan. May isang angle na more than 90 degrees. Okay, that's oblique. Okay, pa-screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next tayo, Vivian obtained the following results from her mathematics examinations, 90, 83, 82, 85. Ayan. What score itong common question na to, must she get on the next examination so that her average score is 86? Okay, so ang tamang sagot dyan is ganito. Ganito lang yan mga ma'am sir ha. O ilang ano po ba to? 1, 2, 3, 4. Kunin natin yung sum ng apat na to. Ang gawin natin, ito 9 plus 90 plus 80 plus 80 plus 80. Ayan. O how much po yan mga ma'am sir? How much po? How much po? Ayan, 9 plus 8, 17 plus 16, that is 33 or 333 or 330 kasi tag 90, 80, 80. Tapos ito, i-add natin tong mga tens na ones place. Okay, ones digit. So 3 plus 2 plus 5, that is 10. So that becomes 40, di ba po? Ayan, 340 na yan. Ngayon, 86 daw yung average niya sa limang test. Okay? So 86 times 5 po yan. Kasi bawat isa, 86, di ba? Kasi average na yan. So that is 0. Ayan, 3, that is 430. 430 minus 340 minus 340, that is 90 po, which is letter C. Nakuha? Yes po, ayan. Pa-screenshot po tayo. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. Did you have enough time to answer all the questions in the exam? No error. Sagot natin. Again, did you have enough time to answer all the questions in the exam? No error. Ayan. Anong sagot natin for this question, mga ma'am sir? Ayan. Pa-comment po, pa-comment, pa-comment, pa-comment. Ayan. Sa mga gustong sumali bukas ha, message me 100. Sa gustong sumali bukas at saka Sunday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. 100. Ayan. Sige, tawad, 99. Ayan, message me 100. Okay, ayan, message me 100 sa mga interesado bukas. Sumali hanggang Sunday, okay? Bukas hanggang Sunday. Sa mga ano dyan, mga self-review, ayan, opportunity nyo na po yan, mga ma'am sir. Opportunity na po yan, okay? Yes po, same GCash number, same GCash number. Message me dun sa teacher. Okay, tamang sagot, no error mga ma'am sir. Did you have? Did you have, tawag na to, did you have? Did, do, did. Ayan, do, did, does. Ayan, plus base. Okay, ayan, verb base po yan. Okay, ayan. So, did you have? Have is the base form here. Okay, ayan. So, wala namang ano dyan, walang mali naman. To answer and questions are just okay. So, no error tayo, letter D. Next tayo, number 83, insulin is secreted by the pancreas, kidney, liver, intestine. Again, insulin is secreted by the pancreas, kidney, liver, intestine. Sagot? Yes po, same GCash number po. Ayan, message me 100. 100 lang ha, 100 ang i-message nyo sa akin. Ayan. Okay, ayan. Sige. Tamang sagot natin dito, of course, pancreas mga ma'am sir. Si pancreas, nagre-release ng ano, pag high blood sugar, okay? Ayan, high blood sugar, insulin po ang nire-release niya, okay? Para maging normal. Ngayon, pag low blood sugar naman, low blood sugar, ang nire-release naman ng insulin is, insulin ni pancreas is glucagon. Okay? Ayan, glucagon. Hindi po yan polygon ha, glucagon. Ayan, sige. Pa-screenshot tayo. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Si kidney, filter po yan siya ng liquid. Liquid filter po yan ng body. Okay? Ayan, sige. Ayan. Si liver naman, this works with toxins and alcohol. Ano pa ba? Yan, mga ganon. Okay, ayan. Si intestine sa digestion naman po yan ng food. Okay, pa-screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next tayo, 84. Which among the following is not a prime number? 51, 41, 31, 11. Again, which among the following is not a prime number? 51, 41, 31, 11. Sagot? That is 51 mga ma'am sir. Not a prime number means, ayan, composite. 'Di ba? Composite number. Pag sinabing composite numbers, may ibang factor sila except the number and 1. Kasi ito, pwede siyang 51 times 1 at saka 17 times 3. 'Di ba? Ayan. Whereas this one, puro po mga prime yan. Wala pong ibang factor kundi yung number na yan at saka 1 lang. Nakuha? Ayan. Pa-screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Move on tayo. Next question. The ovum has blank total chromosomal number. Again, the ovum has blank total chromosomal number. 23, 23 pairs, 46, 46 pairs. Ayan, number 85, number 85, number 85. Yan, sa mga gustong sumali bukas ha, 100 pesos lang po yun. Saturday, Sunday na. Saturday, Sunday. Sayang po yan mga ma'am sir. Ayan, for 100 pesos, Saturday, Sunday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. po na coaching. Ayan, practice po yan sa final coaching kasi nga, lalo na sa amin dito sa TCRC, ang final coaching namin, 8 a.m. hanggang 10 p.m. Ayan, practice sa endurance at saka sa exam na rin. Okay, sagot natin. Question number 85, that is letter A. Ovum or egg cell po yan siya. Egg cell. Okay, egg cell. 23 lang mga ma'am. Sir, kasi nga ang ovum, ayan, ang ovum plus sperm, tag 23 lang po yan sila mga ma'am sir. 23, 23 chromosomes. Ang total niyan, 46 chromosomes na. Okay? Ayan, 46 chromosomes. Ito yung ano, nung March 2024 ba yun? Na puro ang daming sa science, puro chromosomes ang question, ang science question sa LET, Gen Ed. Ang daming nalito dito, okay? Ovum and sperm, pag nag-meet yan, mag-fertilize, magiging zygote, 46 chromosome, which is the normal, di ba? Ito yung human normal na chromosomal number, okay? Normal. Ayan, sige. Or, ang tawag dyan, 23 pairs. Ang daming nalito dyan sa 23 pairs at saka 23 lang. 23 chromosomes at 23 pairs of chromosomes. 23 pairs, 23 times 2 kasi pair po yan. So, 23 times 2 is 46. Okay? Ayan. Pa-screenshot tayo dyan, mga ma'am sir. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po, which among the following is allowed in warrantless arrests? Is it flagrante delicto, or when someone steals, when someone has committed murder, or when someone is convicted with a crime? Anong sagot natin dyan? Again, which among the following is allowed in warrantless arrests? Flagrante delicto, when someone steals, letter C, when someone has committed murder, or when someone is convicted with a crime. Again, letter D tayo. Ayan, when someone is convicted with a crime, pag convicted na siya mga ma'am sir, tapos na yung court proceedings niya, di ba? Ayan, di mo na siya kailangan pang ano kasi convicted na ang sabi dyan, di ba? So that means the arresting officer doesn't need to arrest the suspect, okay? Okay, next tayo, when someone has committed murder. Pag natapos niya na na-commit niya ng murder at hindi nakita ng arresting officer, hindi 'yun hindi 'yun tawag nito. Hindi siya pwedeng tawag nito, maging under dito sa warrantless arrest, okay? Unless yung arresting officer o yung police nakita niya yung someone na yan is pumapatay, okay? Caught in the act na nung time na mismo, okay? And then letter B naman, when someone steals, when someone steals, pag nakita mo in the act, pero pag tapos na siya nagnakaw, pwede mo pa ba i-warrantless arrest yun? Hindi. Kailangan mo talaga ng, ayan, warrant of arrest. Mag-secure ka talaga ng warrant of arrest from the judge. Dito, ang tamang sagot is letter A tayo. Flagrante delicto, mga ma'am sir. Pag sinabing flagrante delicto, caught in the act po yan. Okay? Ayan. Yung suspect is in the middle of doing the crime. Caught in the act. Okay? Ayan. Sige. Pa-screenshot po mga ma'am sir. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next, 87. If you have misplaced blank manual, I will be glad to lend you blank. My, mine, my, yours, yours, your, mine. Ayan. Possessive, possessive. Anong ano natin dito? If you have misplaced, ayan ito question to nung nung yung 4 na ano, 2022, 'di ba? January 2022, March 2022, June 2022, October 2022, 4 na let 'yon. Ito pabalik-balik na lumabas. Ayan, so ano nga nasagot natin dito? That is, if you have, your, o, di ba? Your manual. If you have misplaced your manual, I will be glad to lend you mine. Okay? My manual or mine. Okay? Letter D tayo. Letter D po. Letter D. Ayan. If you have misplaced my manual, I will be glad na misplace. Kung letter A po tayo, na misplace po yung manual. Ba't ipapalend mo pa? Di ba? Ayan. O, 87 is letter D tayo. If you have misplaced your manual, I will be glad to lend you mine. Kung sabihin natin, if you have misplaced my manual, I will be glad to lend you mine. Nawala ng na misplaced na nga, ipapalend mo pa, 'di ba? Kung letter A yung sagot natin, 'di ba po? Ayan, so letter D tayo 'yan, mga ma'am sir, okay? Hindi rin tayong hindi rin pwedeng si letter C kasi like if you have misplaced your manual, I will be glad to lend you yours. Or your manual. Okay, sige. Screenshot tayo. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next tayo. Nelia takes 3/4 hour to dress and gets ready for school. It takes 4/5 hour to reach the school. If her class starts promptly at 8 a.m., what is the latest time she can jump out of her bed in order not to be late for school? Ayan. Anong sagot natin dito, mga ma'am sir? Ayan. Nagde-dress siya ng 3/4 hour. Tapos nag-ano siya, tawag nito, lalakad siya or ang time na it takes for Nelia to reach the school is for 5 hours. O anong oras dapat siyang babangon? Okay? Ayan, sige. 3/4 hour, mga ma'am sir. 3/4 hour, ilang minutes ba 'yon? So that's 3/4 of 60. That is 45 minutes. Okay? Ayan, 45 minutes. Ngayon, ang 4/5 naman, kasi nga, by 4, ito 15. 3 times 15, that is 45, di ba? 4/5 hours naman to reach the school. So 4/5 of 60. Divided by 5, this is 1. Divided by 5, this is 12. 4 times 12, mga ma'am sir. 4 times 12, that is 48 minutes. O, di ba? Ayan, 48 minutes. Ang total niyan is 93 minutes. O, 93 minutes, mga ma'am sir. That is 1 hour and 33 minutes. Ayan, tama? Ngayon, minus tayo ng 1 hour sa 8 a.m. 8 a.m., ayan, minus 1 hour, that is 7 a.m., di ba? Tapos, yung 7 a.m., mga ma'am sir, minus pa ng 33 minutes. Minus 33 minutes, ilan yun? Ilan yun? That is, ayan, that is 6:27 a.m. Okay? Ayan. Pa-screenshot po. Pa-screenshot, mga ma'am sir. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. DNA and RNA are examples of which family of biological molecules? Is it protein, carbohydrates, lipids, or nucleic acids? Again, DNA and RNA are examples of which family of biological molecules? Is it proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, nucleic acids? Anong sagot natin dyan? Okay, that is, yes po, nucleic acids. DNA and RNA are nucleic acids, mga ma'am sir. Okay? Ayan, DNA and RNA are nucleic acids. Next tayo. Screenshot pala, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. Which of the following bills do not originate from the House of Representatives? Ayan, di ba? House of Representatives or yung Congress nag-ano ng bills. Kaso lang, may isang ano dyan na hindi nag-originate sa House of Representatives. And that is appropriation bills, revenue of tariff bills, amnesty, or private bills. Ayan. Anong sagot? Yes po. For number 90, that is amnesty, it comes from the executive. Okay? Ayan. Executive department or the president. Okay? Executive po yan. Okay? Pa-screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. Which of the following is not a first order consumer? Coral, sponges, zooplankton. Zooplankton. Bakit zooplankton? Zooplanktons or tuna? Again, which of the following is not the first order consumer? Not first order consumer, ha? Is it coral, sponges, zooplanktons, or tuna? Sagot? Of course, tuna po tayo dyan, mga ma'am sir. Okay? Ayan, tuna po tayo. Kasi nga, ang tuna, hindi po siya yung hindi po siya kumakain ng zooplankton or yung mga producers. Okay? Like the corals and sponges. Okay. Ayan, ayan. Sige, mga mas malalaki pong isda mas malaki sa zooplankton or sponges or corals yung kinakain ng tuna. Okay? Next tayo, screenshot 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next tayo, interest at 8% after 3 months in 6,000, on 6,000. Interest lang mga ma'am sir ha, interest lang. Okay, interest po, interest. Okay, 92 natin, that is 120 mga ma'am sir, kasi interest is equal to PRT. Okay? Ayan, 6,000 times ang 8% natin, that is 8 over 100, di ba? 8% or per 100. And then 3 months mga ma'am sir, 3 over 12 ulit yan. 3 over 12, 3 months over 12 months, or divided by 3, this is 1, divided by 3, this is 4. 1/4 po yan. Okay? Ngayon, i-cancel natin yung 100 at saka yung dalawang 0 sa 60. Tapos yung 4, cancel natin by 4 at saka 8 by 4, that is 2. O, di ba? O, multiply natin to. 60 times 2 times 1, that is equal to 120 over 1 lang po, or 120, which is letter B. Nakuha? Nakuha? Pwede nyo po itong balikan mga ma'am sir. Pwede nyo pong balikan ha. Kung medyo na nalabuan, pwede nyo pong balikan yung video. Okay. Next tayo. Which of the following must be true about the sum of all prime numbers between 20 and 30? Is it a prime number? Is it an odd number? Or is it a factor of 156? Or is it a multiple of 5? Check natin. Ano po ba yung mga yan, letter C ang sagot. Ano po ba yung mga prime numbers between 20 and 30? So we have 23, di ba? Ano pa? 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. O, dalawa mga ma'am sir. The sum of all the prime numbers. So, ang sum nila mga ma'am sir, that is 52, di ba? Ayan, yan yung sum. Is it a prime number? Wrong. O, di ba? Is it an odd number? Hindi rin, 52. Is it a factor of 56? Yes, kasi 156 divided by 52, that is 3. Or 52 times 3 is 156. Multiple of 5? No, kasi it ends with 2, di ba? Ayan, so letter C po yan. Pa-screenshot po. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. Ayan, what is the most unusual thing you have ever did? No error. Ayan. Again, what is the most unusual thing you have ever did? No error. Sa mga gustong sumali ha, 100 pesos po bukas hanggang Sunday. Message niyo po ako ng 100. Just message me 100. Okay, tamang sagot is, ayan, have you ever? Ayan, eto mga ma'am sir, pag ano tayo, pag has or have, ayan, plus past participle tayo dyan. Okay, ayan, participle. Ayan. So that means this one is you have ever done. Okay? Ayan. Pa-screenshot po. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Next po. The members of the lower house are elected by region and by party list, or elected by region and appointed by the president, or elected by district and party list, or elected by district and appointed by the senators. Anong sagot? Number 95. Yes po. Medyo mabilis na tayo mga ma'am sir ha, kasi may coaching na po sa major subjects. Baka hindi na po natin abutin. Ayan. So that is elected by district kasi nga member of the lower house. This is Congress. Ayan. House of Representative pala. I'm sorry. House of Representatives. Okay? House of Crocs. House of Reps. Okay. So that is by district and party list system. Diba? Ayan. Pa-screenshot po tayo dito mga ma'am sir. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. Starts may be stored in the following except. Again, meron tayo ditong word na except. Ayan, except. Ayan, ano ang sagot natin? Ayan, that is flowers. Okay? Kasi ang flowers, mga ma'am sir, usually namamatay sila in a day or 2 days, mga ganon. Di ba? Ayan, so sugars are not stored in there. It can be on the stems, it can be on the leaves, roots, like yung kamote and stuff. Di ba? Ayan, pa-screenshot po. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 97. The Germans practiced truth, frankness, and straight dealing, but loyalty blank their greatest virtue. Oh, check natin ha. Was, were, is, are. The Germans practice truth, frankness, and straight dealing, but loyalty blank their greatest virtue. Sagot na 97 is. Okay? Ayan. So, ganito yan mga ma'am sir. Germans practice. So, it's stating a general truth. Practice, so present, simple present tayo. Okay? So, simple present. Ayan, so simple present din dapat dito. Wala na tayo dito, 'di ba? Ayan, is and are lang tayo. Kaso lang ang subject natin dito sa ano na to, sa clause is loyalty, which is singular subject. Okay? So that means singular verb tayo. Letter C ang sagot. Okay? Ayan. Pa-screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po, the fraction halfway between 2/5 and 3/5 is, that is 2/5. Ayan, 1/2 po yan mga ma'am sir, 2/5 and 3/5. Ano pong ano dyan? That is 3.5 over, 2.5, I'm sorry. 2.5 over 5. O, di ba? Ilang 2.5? By 2.5, pwede natin i-ano to mga ma'am sir, i-divide. 2.5, this is 1. 5 divided by 2.5 is 2. Kaya nga, ang middle, halfway nila is 1/2. Okay? Ayan. Sige po. Screenshot tayo. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. The power to implement laws of the government shall be vested in the implement. Implement. That is execute. That is execute. Okay? Implement or execute. Executive. Okay? Ayan. Execute po. Execute. Okay? Ayan. So execute, executive, president. Okay? Ayan. Sila yung ano po, na yung executive department ang nag-i-implement ng batas. Okay? Screenshot tayo. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Last number. If a die or dice is rolled, what is the probability of getting a number divisible by 3? Ano ba yung number divisible by 3? Dice lang yun ha, or die or dice. That is, ayan, 1/2 mga ma'am sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ayan, ito po yung mga number dun sa dice, di ba? Divisible by 3, dalawa lang po yan mga ma'am sir. Ang probability of an event is dalawa po ang possible over the total which is 6, di ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or cancel natin by ano? Ay, sorry, that is ano, bakit ano? 1 and then by 2, this is 3. Sorry mga ma'am sir, na ako'y nalito. Ayan. So this is 1/2, 1/3 po. I'm sorry. 1/3 tayo mga ma'am sir. Sorry for that. Okay, pa-screenshot tayo. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Sige, run through tayo mga ma'am sir. Run through tayo. Mabilisan, mabilisan. Mabilisan po, mabilisan. Ayan, dito tayo sa first question. Pa-comment lang po yung mga sagot natin mga ma'am sir ha. Run through tayo para sa retention natin. Okay, run through tayo. Run through. First question. A plus B plus C plus D over 4 is equal to 12. If the average of A, B, C, D, E is 14, what is the value of E? That is 22. 22. Next, 53. An orchid attached to the coconut tree is an example of commensalism. Commensalism. Next, the bang of the door drowned the tick-tock of the clock. The words in quotation marks are examples of onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia. Next, 55. Simplify. 2x minus 3y plus y minus 4z minus z minus 3x. That is letter D. 5x minus 2y minus 5z. Letter D. Next, are carbohydrates or polysaccharide that makes plant cells and tissues structurally rigid is cellulose. Cellulose. Next, what demonstrates the feeding connections among all life forms? That is food web. Food web. Next, Vicky poured 50 over 100 liter of water into a bowl. Susan poured 3 over 10 liter of water into the same bowl. What was the total amount of water the girls poured into the bowl? That is 4/5 liter. 4/5 liter. Next, the growth of roots towards soil is geotropism. 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 Next, a macromolecule is composed of smaller units called monomeres. 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 Next, what measure of central tendency can best describe the size of t-shirts commonly used by grade 7 students? Mode. 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 Next, I enjoyed most of the film, but I didn't like the ending. No error. Letter, didn't like. Letter C, didn't like. Next, which of the following is not a monosaccharide? That is starch. 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 Next, the two consecutive even integers, the sum of which is 34, are 16 and 18. 16 and 18. Next, all of the following contribute to environmental conservation except letter A, carburetor, exhaust. Next, a group of 5 campers use a total of 12 gallons of water on a camping trip. Each camper used the same amount of water. How many gallons of water did each camper use? That is 12 over 5. 12 over 5. 12 over 5. Next, zebra, horse, and donkey have similar characteristics because they belong to the same genus. Genus or ecus ang tawag sa genus nila. Okay, genus. Baka baliktarin po yung question. Gagawin ng anong genus nila. Next, A or an blank is a basic unit of carbohydrates or building block of carbohydrates are monosaccharides. 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 Next, how much was borrowed if the interest at 8% after 3 months is 6,000? 300,000. 300,000. Next, 70, ang pinakamababang antas ng wika katulad ng syota, sikyo, jowa ay tinatawag na balbal. Balbal. Next, which sector of the economy consumes the most, that's the most, I'm sorry, most energy? That is industry. 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 That's not must, it's most. Sorry. Next, what is the amount due on 10,000 pesos after adding the annual interest of 8% for 3 years? That is 12,400. 12,400. Next, the peace forged in Bohol between Legazpi and Sikatuna was also known as blood compact. Blood compact. Next, an atom of silicon has a mass number of 28 and an atomic number of 14. How many protons are in this atom? That is also 14. 14. 14. Next, Pythagorean theorem, Pythagoras. Rectangular coordinate system is Rene Descartes. Rene Descartes. Next, my parents has been to the United States many times. No error. Answer, my parents has. It is have. Next, to enter or leave a cell, substances must pass through the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane. Next, the energy source which is not sustainable is coal. 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 Next, 9 squared of x minus 7 squared of x minus 36 equals to negative 16. That is, x is equal to how much? 100. 100. 100. Next, Princess Diana's sudden unexpected death was like a candle in the wind. Is an example of simile. 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 Next, all right angles are congruent. 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 Next, Vivian obtained the following results from her mathematics examinations: 90, 83, 82, 85. What score must she get on the next examination so that her average score is 86? That is 90. 90. Next, did you have enough time to answer all the questions in the exam? No error. That is no error. Next, insulin is secreted by the pancreas. 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 Next, which among the following is not a prime number? 51. 51. 51. Next, the ovum has blank total chromosomal number. 23. 23. 23. Next, which among the following is allowed in warrantless arrest? That is flagrante delicto. Flagrante delicto. Next, if you have misplaced blank manual, I will be glad to lend you blank. Your mind. Your mind. Next, Nelia takes 3/4 hour to dress and get ready for school. It takes 4/5 hour to reach the school. If her class starts promptly at 8 a.m., what is the latest time she can jump out of her bed in order not to be late for school? That is 6:27 a.m. 6:27 a.m. Next, DNA and RNA are examples of which family of biological molecules? Nucleic acids. Nucleic acids. Next, which of the following bills do not originate from the House of Representatives? That is amnesty. 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 Next, which of the following is not a first order consumer? Tuna. 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 Next, interest at 8% after 3 months on 6,000 is 120. 120. 120. Next, which of the following must be true about the sum of all prime numbers between 20 and 30? That is letter C. Letter C. Letter C. Next, what is the most unusual thing you have ever did? No error. Did. It must be done. Letter C. Next, 95. The members of the lower house are elected by district and party list system. Elected by district and party list system. Letter C. Next, starch may be stored in the following except flowers. 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 Next, the Germans practice truth, frankness, and straight dealing, but loyalty blank their greatest virtue. Was, were, is, are. Is. 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 The fraction halfway between 2/5 and 3/5 is 1/2. 1/2. 1/2. Next, the power to implement laws of the government shall be vested in the president. 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 Next, if a die is rolled, what is the probability of getting a number divisible by 3? 1/3. 1/3. 1/3. Ayan. Di ba? We have finished another 50 questions for today, mga ma'am sir, and see you tomorrow. Tomorrow, si Coach Joshua na naman ang coach ninyo dito ha. Same time, 6 to 8 p.m. And I'll be posting I'll be posting yung mga recorded videos natin sa past season sa isang group and then post ko dito yung link, okay? And then sa mga gustong sumali po bukas, 100 pesos po bukas hanggang Sunday po 'yon.